What can, and should, we really expect? Judge Neil Gorsuch heads to the Hill on Monday for confirmation hearings, and we're told to wait for the fireworks. Only thing is, they won't happen. It's a foregone conclusion that he'll take his seat as the 9th member of the Supreme Court on the first Monday next October. Unless another member of the court falls under a bus between now and then. Liberal opposition research groups are struggling mightily to find ammunition to lodge at Gorsuch. They won't come up with much that we haven't heard already, and that's not been anything of note. Here's the worst of it. He studied at Oxford University under John Finnis and wrote a thesis on euthanasia for him. Finnis is a natural lawyer who believes that law's legitimacy derives from its adherence to rational principles about justice, which in turn can be understood by deliberating about common principles of humanity. That's what natural law means, and Jeremy Bentham called it nonsense of stilts. Like saying, I'm right-wing so I should like Christian rock. It's really just about politics. It's what happens when pundits and law professors pretend they're philosophers. You can also be skeptical, as Blaise Pascal was, about whether you'd find anything very uplifting in examining how people behave. We're no angels. Which is something James Madison and the other framers of our Constitution well understood. They weren't natural lawyers. All this sounds like an issue that only legal philosophers would care about. Except for one thing. If you can derive a principled objection to euthanasia from natural law, as Gorsuch did in his book, that's going to bother the right to die crowd. And then there's the slippery slope. If Gorsuch thinks mercy killing wrong, what about abortion, same-sex marriage, and all of the other causes prized by the left? Nothing in Gorsuch's book spoke to them, but for the lifestyle liberals who have captured the soul of the Democratic Party, those are the issues.